Oh, no, no, no.
It was a we thing.
No, it was straight. Yeah.
Para y deja de estar chingando. Árale, va, que después. Y ya que le mando un mensaje, le digo, ¿sabes qué?
Another thing that I have to get used to, it's like here everybody's in a rush. Back in the States, everybody's in a rush as well.
Come on.
But there's a big difference. Even back in the States, I realize the young people have no respect. I'm used to kids,
Nowhere.
but I'm used to younger people kind of, you know, respecting the sidewalks.
Letting the elders pass.
Yeah, letting the elders pass.
Yeah, so long gone.
Just being brought up right.
Yeah. You get some other action. You got the camera turned that way.
So that's gonna take some real getting used to. There's no rules to the road, sidewalks, anything out here. Because I wasn't raised that way, nor was our kids.
Y'all can't see, we headed towards this big silver place. She got the camera kind of turned to the right, but we going that way.
Well, I was watching the streets on the side.
We gonna cross like y'all did yesterday.
Okay. So yeah, we're going to check out the museum. The aquarium is right next door, but I don't think I have any interest in going to see everything inside the aquarium. Save the aquarium for when our grandbabies are here. The aquarium. And the weather is nice. Not cold, not hot. Feels really good.
Go, 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 go.
He's always messing with people. He just likes to have fun though. How do we say it? He come in peace.
You ready?
Yes. We're approaching the museum, y'all.
Go, 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 now. Go, 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 go.
Did you see that countdown? Huh.
You going up?
Yep.
This is how you walk off that $20 breakfast.
Back in the States, we normally go walking around our lake, right in the neighborhood. But now, we have so many places to walk to. I'm gonna walk. Probably can't take this in. Not sure.
I'm not sure. We'll see. Oh, we don't have no key.
You know what?
They scanning something. What we gotta do? No sé.
Mira.
Sin tocar el museo, perdón, el...
Perdón. ¿Necesito un boleto para eso?
No, es
¿No?
entrada gratis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're doing a temperature.
Oh, okay.